My name is Juan Manuel Rincon, and I'm cultural journalist, media creator, and cultural diplomat of South of Colombia. For more than 15 years, I've been working in the media world, telling powerful stories about culture, science, innovation, and communities in Colombia and Latin America. I believe that media is more than information, it's connection, it's voice, it's change. I want to join the Sean Forum to learn, share, and create bridges between Russia and Latin America through storytelling. As in Colombia, I bring a different voice. As a communicator, I bring experience and passion. This is more than a program, it's a change to build a new media future together. Let's make some noise. Let's shake the system. Let's make action. Спасибо.